All right, man, we got some early heat in the box today. I know y'all seen it already. Y'all seen it in the thumbnail, but it's time to break them down. It's my first time seeing them in literally over 4 or 5 years. Like, I haven't seen them all in a long time. I think the last time I seen them was when I was in high school. So I'm super excited about breaking these down, showing them to you guys. And right now, down below in the comment section, let me know what are some of your most anticipated pickups for 2023. I know these right here are definitely one of my most anticipated cops this year, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. We just did an unboxing, or kind of like a pickup video of the Air Jordan 3 Wizards PE behind me, and I was super excited to find those in store, and I got them for under retail, which is, you know, kind of surprising when you see that they sold out pretty much everywhere. And I found them in my local mall, and I was like, let's go. You know what I'm saying? New area, new mall, new sneaker opportunities, you feel me? And your boy cop, you know what I'm saying? So let's go ahead and sub up, hit the like button, and we're gonna jump right into this early look over these bad boys right here, man. Let's get into it. All right, so then checking out the box, you guys see, you kind of get this like speckled little box right here. Of course, you got your flight up top with that yellow Jumpman. You also get a yellow Jumpman. Oh yeah, you got it under the box right here, yellow Jumpman right there. Let's go ahead and check out the official colorway, man. Air Jordan 4 Retro, black, white, tor yellow. We got these bad boys in the size 9.5. Shouts out to the homie Sneaker Fiends, man. Sneaker Fiends is where I usually get all of my early looks from, man. Sneaker Fiends has been hooking your boy up, hooking the channel up, showing you guys these sneakers early, give you guys opportunity to see what they look like before the actual release date. And he has a bunch of these early sneakers as well on his website and on his Instagram page. So I'm gonna tag him down below. Shouts out to Sneaker Fiends for supplying all the early needs for the Vintage Squad. Really do appreciate it, bro. Back on craze for the rest of the year. Showing the Vintage Squad all these early pairs that are coming out in 2023. And we got a lot more early looks coming. So yeah, let's go ahead and break these things down, open them up, and hold on. Oh, I think I done seen them too much. Hold on. Woo-hoo, man. These things is fire, bro. Oh my God, hold on, let me go ahead and show you guys in 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check them bad boys out. I guess this is one of the pairs that he was taking pictures of because the paper, you know, normally comes around the shoe. But nonetheless, these things is gas. Hold on, bro. Get your regular little tissue paper in there with the cement over it. Oh my God, hold on. Hold dice, bro. Look at these bad boys right here. Air Jordan 4 Thunders. Now, if you guys do not remember, we just got the red Thunders that released last year, I believe. And I was like, yo, I don't want the red Thunders. I sold those. I said, yo, I need the regular Thunder 4s. And we finally have them with that all like kind of nubuck upper. And with this nice hit of yellow, and the quality did not fail me. They didn't fail us, you know what I'm saying? Nike did their thing with these right here. Nike on the back. It would have been crazy if it would have threw a Nike Air, but look at these, bro. Shouts out to Nike, man. Like, this is, like I said, one of my most anticipated cops. That's why you guys see me super excited to check these out, because, man, these are so beautiful, bro. Jordan 4s, Jordan 3s, and Jordan 1 just my go-to. It's kind of hard to miss, if you ask me, but it is a couple of Air Jordan 4s coming out this year that I'm like, yo, Jordan brand, did we really need them? And the answer is probably no. But me, I'm not gonna be super inclined to cop them just because I don't want to regret it later down the line, man. But here you have it. Air Jordan 4 Thunders releasing May the 13th. Like literally next week, we're gonna be getting these or 2 weeks, we're gonna be getting these Air Jordan 4s right here. One of the best drops this year. Like, it's a lot of those sneakers that's like worthy of being sneaker of the year, if you ask me, because we haven't gotten the Thunders in so long. I think we're getting the military blue 4s as well. Like, bro, Jordan is going crazy this year with the drops. And hey, I'm all here for it, bro. Just look at these, bro. Check them out real quick, man. 360, nice hit of that yellow. The quality is not terrible at all. Like, you know, usually I keep on referencing the reimagined 3s because I was so disappointed. But when you get these regular drops, I guess you could say, not too hyped up, I guess not too mass produced like those other reimagined series, the quality is quite surprising. Like, it's really good if you ask me. You didn't get any extra laces to go with these, but I did want to point out, like I said, this little, the suede going around it, the nubuck suede, whatever you want to call it. Of course, it's going to get very, very linty over time. So if you don't keep them in the drop front, or if you don't keep them in the box, you're gonna have this little lint that's going all around the sneaker, just like the red Thunders, just like the Air Jordan 4 Breads. And then a couple other those new Buck sneakers. But if you're rocking your sneakers, of course, they're gonna get dirty. And I just really like that yellow popping through the cage, man. It's like that nice hit. They didn't change it too much from the pair that dropped 4 or 5 years ago or 6 years ago. I think they matched it pretty well as far as the yellow hits on the lacing system. Behind the sneaker, of course, you get the yellow hits as well. You also get yellow under the tongue with that flight written on it, which is pretty nice, man. So the yellow hits just enough. The Thunders, just enough. Definitely probably one of my top 5 Air Jordan 4s of all time, if you ask me, man. And then of course you get the midsole with the yellow, the Thunder yellow going all the way around the midsole, man. So right now down below in the comment section, man, let me know if you will be trying to secure the Air Jordan 4 Thunders releasing May the 13th. I think the retail tag is $210 or $200, one of the two. Nike raising them retail prices up, something to get used to. Me, I know I'm definitely gonna be securing them. Again, shouts out to the homie SNKR FEINZ. Like if you want these right now, if you don't wanna wait no longer, he definitely has a couple sizes left in the Air Jordan 4 Thunders, 100% OG, 100% authentic. I can vouch for that. Trust me, they straight from the source, if that makes sense, man. So hit up the homie SNKR FEINZ. I'm gonna tag him down below, and we got some more early looks that's sitting over to my right that we're gonna break down, show you guys, and yeah, see what y'all feeling about 2023 Jordan releases. And then before we wrap this video up, something I did want to point out is that when we do get these military blue 4s, I already know it's gonna be that debate. Like, yo, is the Thunder 4s better or the military blues? So real quick, man, before we wrap up this whole video, please let me know down below in the comment section which one you're rocking out with more, the Air Jordan 4 Thunder or the Air Jordan 4 military blues. That's a tough one. I'm not gonna lie, that's a very, very tough one. I've never had the military blues. I've never had the Thunders, so I guess I might have to wait to get both of them in hand. But right now, if I had to pick one, I think of course it's gonna be the Thunders because I literally got them right here and I can throw them on feet, you feel me? So let me know what you think about the Thunder 4s releasing May the 13th. I know it's gonna be one of them hot commodities, one of them Jordan 4s that everybody wants. Resale might not be crazy, but it's still a super dope Air Jordan 4 colorway in my opinion. Make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel, hit that like button, and please hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the early content that we will be dropping within these next couple of weeks, next couple of months. We got y'all, me and the homie SNKR FEINZ giving y'all these early looks. Go tap in with him, especially if you want to get some of these early looks like this right here. Please leave a huge like on today's video, drop them comments down below. Your boy The Ventures is back, you know what I'm saying? Probably within the next couple of days, you guys are gonna start seeing all the sneakers behind me, the whole sneaker room set up and all that good stuff. And then we're gonna be really back in full effect, man. Appreciate all the support. Thank you guys for tuning in. With all that being said, I'm gonna catch you guys in next video, man. Peace.